Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch at home. First, let's gather our basic tools. You'll need a few pencils, perhaps a 2B and a 4B for varying darkness, some good quality paper, and a kneaded eraser. Find a quiet spot with plenty of natural light. Starting with simple exercises like drawing circles and straight lines will really help you warm up and build confidence before tackling more complex subjects. Now let's dive into some fundamental techniques. Experiment with how you hold your pencil. A looser grip often works well for broad strokes, while a tighter grip offers precision. Practice making lines that range from very light to very dark to understand pressure control. Try out cross-hatching, using intersecting lines to create shadows, or stippling, which uses tiny dots for texture and tone. These methods add depth to your drawings. Shading is crucial for making your sketches look three-dimensional. Always identify your light source first. This dictates where shadows will fall. Think about a value scale, ranging from pure white to solid black, and try to incorporate at least 5 distinct values in your work. Use blending tools, or even your finger, to smooth out transitions between tones. This technique helps objects appear round and solid on your two-dimensional paper. The key to becoming a better artist is consistent practice. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to sketching. Even quick studies are beneficial. Drawing from real life, whether it's a fruit bowl or a friend, significantly improves your observation skills. Don't be afraid to critically evaluate your own work. Notice what you like and what could be stronger. Every sketch is a step forward in your artistic journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.